everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is April. I make sewing and DIY fashion videos every week, so make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notifications bell so you never miss out on a new video. Today, I'm just in my comfy pajamas and this coat because it's freezing. This has been my everyday wardrobe, just staying at home and sewing, but I'm dreaming of the day when I can finally go out and travel and hopefully wear this infinity romper somewhere. So this week I am transforming a dress that my fiance thrifted for me a very long time ago. During that time I didn't know what to do with it yet, but now with all the thrift stores closed, I can finally work through my stash of thrifted clothes. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and let's get started.
I found 4 shirts, I think 2 bottom dresses, pants, and I think I'm gonna choose the ones that I want to take home now.
Next up,
This one's a good one, man.
whoa, the colors are really pretty. What are you talking about?
This one is a good one. I thought it was kind
$7.99.
I thought it was kind of ugly because there's just too much going on, man.
I mean, the print is kind of wild, like some parts of it. It's kind of crazy. This fake V-neck shape thing is kind of interesting, but the colors are very pretty. I have no idea what these style dress shirts are called, but this is what it looks like on. First, I used my shorts pattern I drafted from my pattern making video and slash and spread the front and back shorts pattern to create some very flared shorts. Since there were multiple designs I wanted for the bodice, I opted for some infinity straps. That way I can tie the straps in whatever design I want it to look like. Once my shorts pattern were finalized, I figured out the placement of them on the dress and made sure to leave enough space on the sides for the infinity straps. Cut out 2 front shorts and 2 back shorts from the dress. To construct the shorts, face the front and back pieces right sides together and sew the inner leg seams closed. Originally, I was going to do a side zipper, but changed it to a center back zipper. So here you would sew up to where the zipper would be instead of closing up the entire center back. Then sew the side seams closed. To create the infinity straps, I'm using the sides of the dress, so the width of the straps are going to be however much fabric I have left, which is 9.5 inches. Keep in mind, if you are a bigger size, your straps should be wider to cover your body, and for the length of my straps, they were about 80 inches long. Cut the long straps out and hem the raw edges. Moving on to the waistband, I used the jewel print section of the dress and cut out a 3-inch wide rectangle to fit the size of my waist. And then cut another layer for the lining. Interface one of the waistband pieces and mark the center of the waistband so you know where to sew the straps. First, we're going to sew the straps to the waistband before attaching the waistband to the shorts. To do so, face the wrong sides of the straps to the right sides of the lining waistband. I overlap the straps 1 inch at the center of the waistband and then sandwich the other waistband layer right sides together over the straps. The reason why I switched my zipper to the center back is because the straps will pass the side seams at the waist. If you can create even wider straps to overlap more into the back of the shorts, I recommend doing so you have more coverage on the side of your body. So all 3 layers along the top of the waistband. Now we can sew the top waistband right sides together to the shorts, lining it up with the center of the straps. Once the front waistband is sewn, I'm gonna leave the lining waistband open and sew in my invisible zipper first into the center back. Then close up the lining waistband by pressing under the seam allowance and top stitch it closed. Lastly, hem the bottom of the shorts and we're finished. Here is the final transformation. These are just a few of the variations you can tie this romper into. Some of them I let my creativity run free, so they be looking kinda wild. But it was super fun standing in front of the mirror, coming up with all sorts of ways to tie the straps. There's also a bunch of cool ideas online already if you can't think of any. At first, I didn't think a non-stretch fabric would work well as an infinity strap design, but it works pretty much the same. However, the material of my romper is super slippery, so I don't recommend using silky fabrics because it doesn't stay in place as nicely as other materials would. I also wanted to mention that rompers are already a struggle to wear when using the restroom, so just a warning for anyone that wants to make this and try it out. This last one is my favorite. I did use a safety pin to hold the center front together since the fabric slides, but depending on your material, you can definitely do without a safety pin. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. As usual, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more DIY fashion, and let me know down in the comments what videos you want to see next. See you guys next time. Bye!